Mixing hot sauce into maple syrup. I would have never thought to do that. Now I know. I'm probably gonna do that every day. This is the best Southern breakfast ever. Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Jacksonville, Florida. I've been exploring Jacksonville for the past 48 hours in partnership with Visit Jacksonville, and I've gone to amazing restaurants, delicious craft breweries. I even went to the only rice farm in the state of Florida. Pretty amazing. And this right here is the River Walk. It's a 2-mile pedestrian walkway. There's shops, there's restaurants. It starts off at the hotel I'm staying at, which is the Hyatt Regency, and then it goes all the way to the Brooklyn district. There's also a 1-mile portion of it on the south bank of the St. John's River. There you have the Friendship Fountain, which is literally right across from here. You have the Museum of Science and History and the River Place Tower. This is my last morning in Jacksonville. I only have a few hours to explore, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna explore the Riverwalk, and then I'm gonna go to Metro Diner to have a delicious chicken and waffle. They were telling me that this chicken and waffle is incredible. So are you ready for some more chicken and waffles? Let's do it. So we arrived here at Metro Diner. It's a nice little spot here in the suburbs of Jacksonville, and I'm sitting outside. Beautiful day today, so why waste it inside? I'm gonna have the chicken and waffles. That's their most famous dish, but they have a lot of other stuff like Benedict's. Right now they have a cheeseburger Benedict that looked amazing, but I need to go to chicken and waffles because that's what they're famous for. So this is a local chain here in Jacksonville, so there's multiple locations, and yeah, I'm hungry. Okay, so we have the chicken and waffles.
So that's our strawberry butter. Some whipped butter. It has a grenadine in it to give it kind of the pinkish color, and fresh cut strawberries.
Breast thigh, leg wing, strawberry butter, and delicious Belgian waffles.
Yes, with some powdered sugar on top. And then on the side, we've got a sweet and a spicy sauce. So
Sweet
it's just a little bit of syrup in Louisiana. Tastes amazing with the chicken. Dunk it in there, take a bite of the wing, and then get some of the waffle with the strawberry butter on it. So you get that sweet, spicy.
It says maple syrup with hot sauce?
Louisiana, yep. Yeah, right?
Oh my god. What I need to do, I need to like put the chicken with the waffle. This hot syrup sauce is so good. We got a drumstick. I need to like put some of the meat on here. The waffle, chicken, the hot sauce syrup. This maple hot sauce is like amazing. I just gotta keep going with the hot sauce. There's just something about fried chicken in the morning, you know? This is why I came.
Okay,
Don't worry, I'm gonna eat the whole thing, don't worry.
All right, you got it. You need anything else? No, we're good, enjoy.
The unique thing about this chicken and waffle is they give you, different pieces of the chicken, basically half the chicken. Then you got this strawberry butter, which is so good. My favorite part is this hot sauce with syrup, Louisiana hot sauce with syrup. It's just so sweet and salty. I don't know what it is about chicken and waffles. Combination's so unique, and it's amazing how here in the South we can find it a lot. And Jacksonville is like, feels like more like in the southern states more than like in Miami, I guess. I'm from Miami, so it's so different. I went to Boxy Kitchen the other day, and they had an incredible chicken and waffle. This is more like a traditional chicken and waffle, but with its own twist to it. What makes it special is this.
Right.
Could I have another one of those?
Of course.
I don't know, it might be.
That's how you do it, ready?
Oh, like that. Oh. Okay, right here, perfect.
Yeah.
I didn't even know. I thought you guys had it inside.
No secret.
No secret.
Yeah, 7 splashes of Louisiana and
7 splashes.
yeah, 7 splashes and bam.
And then just in there again.
There you go, dude.
Damn, man.
Thanks, man.
Amazing.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. That's awesome. So next time I want to have hot maple syrup, like a spicy maple syrup. Just get Louisiana hot sauce, throw it in my maple syrup, 7 drops. If you've never been to the South or Southern states, then you probably haven't had chicken and waffle. It's so good. Like I said, sweet, salty, delicious. Look at that big chunk right there. And it cut deep into here. And get the Belgian waffle. I need to find myself a place like this in Miami. Metro Diner, come to Miami. This is too good. This is the best Southern breakfast ever. I'm amazing. Yeah, I killed it. I didn't know it was so simple. Just put the the hot sauce thing.
Oh yeah, where you just do the syrup.
I mean, that's my new favorite thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely different. Like every time we make it for our guests, they like look at us and they're like, "Oh, are you sure?" We're like, "No." For real."
But it's cool.
Yeah, it definitely is. But I'm glad you enjoyed everything.
Thank you so much. This Metro Diner is amazing. This is actually the original. There's 59 locations nationwide. There's 7 in Jacksonville. They do southern food, chicken and waffles, shrimp and grits. I mean, you name it, they got it. That chicken and waffles was so yummy. I love how they give you a mix between a wing, a drumstick, a thigh, and a breast. That strawberry butter was so delicious. Yeah, that was a very yummy dish. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, let's go to the airport. Jacksonville International Airport is around a 25-minute drive north from downtown Jacksonville on I-95. It's an international airport. Right now we're gonna return to rent a car, we're gonna check in, and we're gonna go to our gate. My flight takes off in about an hour, and it's only a 45-minute flight from Jacksonville to Miami, so it's a quick getaway for me from Miami. I've really enjoyed my 48 hours here in Jacksonville. I'm surprised I haven't been. It's my first time here. The few things I loved, what I gotta say is that the food is just like out of this world. It's so incredible. We did fine dining, we did diner food. I mean, there was a Tex-Mex there as well. So many good, delicious things. And I can't forget the biggest oyster I ever ate at Calford Chop House. Wow, that thing was ginormous. But yeah, I mean, the food, it's a foodie city for sure. And then the second thing is the beer scene. The beer scene's huge. I think there's like 8, 9 breweries. A few in downtown near my hotel, the Hyatt Regency Riverfront. So I went to Engine 15, I went to Bold City Brewing, and then I went to Intuition Ale Works. Each one's different. You know, tried a few seasonal beers at Engine 15. I tried beers that they mix at Bold City Brewery. I tried a few very, very strong beers at Intuition Ale Works. Each one is unique, and there's more breweries. I just didn't have enough time to go to more. I really love the beers here though. Very nice, very different, and they're doing a whole mix of things between strong beers, mixing beers. They do saisons, they do barrel-aged beers. I mean, you name it, they got it. So if you like beer, for sure you gotta come here. And then the third thing I love about this city is the people. The people have been so helpful. Visit Jacksonville. I mean, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for bringing me here. I gotta thank you for partnering with me on this trip. I'm sure you guys love the series. A great 2 days in Jacksonville. Definitely recommend it if you're gonna visit Florida. If you're in Miami, it's only a 1-hour flight. Definitely an easy weekend getaway. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you've been to Jacksonville, if you've been to Florida, or if you want to come, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. Now let's board the plane.